Do you want to unlock the future of digital currency? Ethereum is leading the way. Ethereum is not just a cryptocurrency. It's a powerful platform that revolutionizes how we think about assets. It allows developers to build decentralized applications, or DApps. First, let's explore what Ethereum is. Launched in 2015, Ethereum is a blockchain technology. It enables smart contracts and decentralized applications. Next, let's discuss how Ethereum works. It uses a technology called blockchain. This is a distributed ledger that records transactions. Each transaction is verified and stored across multiple computers. Then, we introduce smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts. They automatically enforce the terms of an agreement, reducing the need for intermediaries. Now, let's break down its uses. Ethereum powers DApps across various industries. From finance to gaming, its applications are endless. Some popular DApps include decentralized finance platforms, or DeFi, and non-fungible token marketplaces, or NFT platforms. Let's look at an example. Imagine buying a digital artwork as an NFT. Ethereum enables you to prove ownership through its blockchain. In summary, Ethereum is a transformative platform. It combines cryptocurrency with the power of smart contracts. Its versatility enables a wide range of applications. Ready to dive into the world of Ethereum? Start by exploring DApps and the potential of blockchain technology. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. Ethereum not only revolutionizes transactions but also enhances security and transparency. By allowing users to interact directly with applications, it eliminates the need for central authorities, giving control back to individuals. This decentralization is crucial in building trust, as the transparency of the blockchain prevents tampering or fraud, leading to a more equitable system. Imagine a world where transactions are instantaneous and without fees, enabling seamless exchanges globally. The implications for businesses and consumers alike are staggering. Moreover, the development of new DApps continues to push the boundaries of what is possible. As more developers build on this platform, a vibrant ecosystem emerges, fostering innovation and collaboration across various sectors. Ethereum's impact extends beyond financial transactions. It fosters creativity and innovation. For artists, it revolutionizes the way digital creations are bought and sold. They can tokenize their artwork as NFTs, ensuring authenticity and receiving royalties on future sales. Gamers can have true ownership of in-game assets, trading or selling them freely without restrictions. Additionally, businesses can streamline operations through tailored DApps that meet specific needs. With Ethereum, the potential for new applications grows daily, empowering creators and consumers alike. As this technology continues to evolve, it shapes a decentralized future where innovation thrives. Stay tuned, as the journey into Ethereum's vast potential is just beginning. Ready to dive deeper into Ethereum's ecosystem? As you explore, consider how decentralized finance, or DeFi, opens up worldwide financial services without traditional banks. By offering loans, savings, and trading on a blockchain, individuals can gain access to capital freely and transparently. Furthermore, non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, change the landscape of asset ownership, enabling creators to reach audiences directly. Each application uncovers new opportunities, heralding a future where traditional barriers no longer exist. Embrace this exciting journey in digital transformation as the possibilities continue to unfold. The world of Ethereum is continually evolving, paving the way for a decentralized future where anyone can participate. As you engage with this groundbreaking technology, remember that the journey has just begun. Discover your potential in this limitless space, and be part of shaping tomorrow's digital landscape.